Before you start, your clinician must program your hearing devices and link them in the Cochlear fitting software. When paired with a compatible Apple or Android device, you can use the Cochlear Nucleus Smart App to manage your Nucleus Sound Processor and compatible ReSound hearing aid. Using one app, you can quickly and easily adjust the volume, choose a program, or select an audio source you would like to use on both of your hearing devices. To adjust the volume, tap Volume to open the volume control panel. Then tap on the plus or minus buttons to adjust the volume on each of your hearing devices. You should only adjust your volume while you can hear sounds or speech. The Nucleus Smart App allows you to select the programs you would like to use on both of your hearing devices, if they have been enabled by your clinician. From the home screen, tap Program to open the Program Control panel, and then tap on the program you would like to turn on or off for each of your hearing devices. You can also turn the sound filters on and off for each of your hearing devices if they have been enabled by your clinician. The Nucleus Smart App allows you to select an audio source if it has been paired to your hearing devices. From the home screen, tap Audio Sources to open the Audio Source Control panel. And then tap on the true wireless device image you would like to use for each of your hearing devices. Additional hearing aid features continue to be available through the ReSound Smart 3D app.